Whether you're into a quick sear or a slow roast, steak's all about timing. Too quick and it's raw. Too slow and you've missed the moment. Kinda like sex, really. Because when it comes to how long men last in bed, there really is no one steak fits all. Because just like with cooking, there is such a thing as overdone and underdone. Let's start with the quickest one. Steak tartare frit! Fancy. Watch out, MasterChef. This takes about a minute to prepare, roughly about the same amount of time as premature ejaculation. The frit on the side need a little bit more time to get nice and crispy. Now, just like with sex, quick service is only an issue if it causes distress. So be sure to check in with your partner about that. And remember, it's not about the perfect time. Just like with steak, it's just a different way of having it. Now, there are two different types of premature ejaculation, and I know I'm ruining steak for everyone here, but just hang in there. Lifelong and acquired. And remember, you're not alone. It could be situational or generalized. It could be due to new settings on the stove, could be cooking with a new person, or it could just be all the time. Let's move on to our next dish. Medium rare steak and mash. Ready in about 5 to 10 minutes, which just so happens to be the average length of time a bloke lasts in bed. Completely normal. Just be sure to boil your potatoes before mashing, because nobody wants lumpy spuds and awkward apologies.
Hey, so when I do that thing with my fingers,
Are you filming?
Yes.
Don't film. This is a private conversation. Oh God! Lasting longer isn't always a good thing. This steak is overcooked, dry, and a little dull. Unless, of course, you and your partner like it that way. There is no perfect time when it comes to what you and your partner like. And who knows, they might take longer to finish. Just make sure you check in with them. Anyway, just like food porn, the other kind sets a pretty unrealistic expectation of how long a bloke should last in bed. Just make sure you communicate, check in with each other, and preheat that oven. If it's still causing distress, there are treatments available to help you put the sizzle back into your sex life. And if you need any more info, head to healthymale.org.au. And don't forget your greens.
What do the greens represent?
Pegging.